Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today we will be taking a look at the Killer Beauty Microblades. The Killer Beauty Microblade collection includes a range of configurations and pin sizes to suit multiple different techniques. So let's get into it. The Killer Beauty Microblades have been created from the finest quality 304 stainless steel and contain razor-sharp needles that have been carefully grouped together to ensure accuracy and precision with each treatment. Each blade within the collection goes through rigorous control checks to ensure only the best quality microblades make their way into your box. The needles within the Killer Beauty Microblades are sturdy and don't run the risk of bending or breaking during treatment. The needles have been grouped together to ensure consistent pigment placement with no blaring, spreading or double lines. Each Killer Beauty Microblade comes in individual sterile blister packaging to ensure optimum hygiene and safety for each and every client. These microblades are compatible with most microblading hand tools, like the Black Diamond disposable microblading tool we have here from Gemboid Inc. The Killer Beauty Microblade range includes a variety of configurations and pin sizes for creating multiple different brow styles. It also includes a mix of microblades and manual shaders to suit all techniques. For creating sharp, crisp hair strokes, configurations include curved edge, bold blades, flat U and curved edge nano. For shading, we offer configurations such as round, double row flat and 4-bunch 3-round shaders. We have also colour-coded each configuration to make microblade selection easy and convenient for any artist. Curved edge microblades are red, bold blades yellow and flat U blades purple. Micro shaders are blue, double flat are green and 4-bunch round 3 are grey. This way you know exactly what configuration you are reaching for during a treatment. Pin sizes vary depending on which configuration you are opting for and whether you are creating longer or shorter hair strokes. Needle diameters also vary to ensure you can pick exactly the right microblade or micro shader you require for each part of your treatment. All configurations come in boxes of 50, meaning one box will last you a long time with no need to constantly repurchase to replenish your stock levels. We have continued to receive incredible feedback from artists who use the Killer Beauty Microblades, and they have quickly become a staple in so many artists' kit. If you want to get your hands on the Killer Beauty Microblades today, there is a link in the description below. If you have tried this collection, leave a comment below and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.